2026 Kenworth T2000. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a rolling 5-star luxury mansion. When people say, "This thing is bigger than my house," they're not joking. Because honestly, this motorhome feels like a complete luxury villa on wheels. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most extraordinary and jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes ever built. If you love travel, road trips, or dream of living on the move without giving up comfort, then buckle up, this video is made just for you. Let's start with the size and exterior design. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 comes with a gigantic, futuristic body that looks straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Smooth aerodynamic curves, LED strip lighting, chrome accents, and a massive panoramic windshield give this motorhome a powerful and royal appearance. On the highway, it doesn't just move, it dominates the entire view. And once the slide-out sections expand, this motorhome literally doubles in size, turning into a full-sized luxury house wherever it's parked. It's like the walls unfold and transform into a complete home. Now, let's enter the interior, the true magic of this machine. And trust me, the inside will leave you speechless. The layout feels just like a high-end apartment. The living room features soft-touch leather sofas, ambient mood lighting, a giant 65-inch smart TV, a premium surround sound system, climate control, and an AI smart panel that controls everything with just a touch. Whether you're in the middle of the desert or high up in the mountains, inside this motorhome you feel like you're relaxing in a luxury lounge. The kitchen is another highlight. It comes fully equipped with a marble countertop, a full-size residential refrigerator, an advanced microwave oven combo, induction stove, smart storage cabinets, and a water filtration system. Imagine traveling across the country and still enjoying fresh home-style cooking. That's what this motorhome is built for. Moving to the master bedroom, it feels like a private luxury suite. A king-size bed, soft premium mattress, warm wooden cabinets, private slide-out expansion, and even a dedicated vanity area make this bedroom feel like a personal sanctuary. The level of comfort and privacy here is what you normally expect from a high-end hotel, not a vehicle. Even the bathroom is pure luxury. A full-size walk-in shower with a glass door, digital temperature controls, premium fixtures, storage space, and hotel-style finishing. It's unbelievable how much comfort has been packed into a motorhome bathroom. You can travel anywhere and still enjoy a proper spa-like experience every single day. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 is a fully smart motorhome. It comes with an AI-powered command panel, 360-degree live cameras, a hydraulic auto-leveling system, rooftop solar charging, dual inverters, satellite internet, and a smart security lock system. It also supports full off-grid living. That means you can park this beast on a beach, deep in the woods, on a mountain peak, and still live comfortably with full electricity, internet, cooling, and entertainment. Powering this massive motorhome is a high-output diesel engine designed for smooth long-distance travel, mountain climbing, and heavy towing. The ride is so stable that inside you can work, relax, cook, or even sleep without any disturbance. So in the end, there's only one thing to say: the 2026 Kenworth T2000 is not just a motorhome, it is a complete luxury lifestyle. It's made for people who want to explore the world without sacrificing comfort, space, or technology. It doesn't feel like a vehicle. It feels like a private moving kingdom. And yes, it truly is bigger than my house.